Hello and welcome to this week's video tech tip. I'm Eric Bryant. I'm an applications engineer here with TriMac, and today we're going to be talking about how to add a Z height pause and do a color change on a Stratasys F series printer. Let's get started. So here we are in our GrabCAD print software. The first thing we're going to want to do is ensure we're on the correct template or the correct printer. For us, we're working on our F170 here in our Charlotte office, so we're good to go there. Next, we're going to add our model. We're going to click right there on Add Model. Open it up. We're using our native SolidWorks part file, and that is not the orientation we want to print this in. So we're going to go ahead and orient our face to plane. This bottom part, we're going to put on the bottom. There we go. We have our model oriented the way we would like. Check our tray settings. We're going to print it at 7 thousandths. We are using ABS. Everything's looking good there. We're going to change it to printing solid. Smart support, even though we won't have any supports here. So we're good to go. We're going to go ahead and slice this file. Right, and now we're looking at our realistic slice preview. This is where we can add our Z pause, as you see here on the right side. An important thing to note about adding Z pauses in GrabCAD Print is the pause is at the beginning of the layer you're looking at. That'll make more sense here in just a second. So we're going to go up through this, and we're going to want to do our pause and color change on the first layer of the text that's embossed on this kind of plaque here. And it looks like layer 31, you can see the text there is highlighted as we go up there. So layer 31 is where we're going to want to add this Z pause. We'll go ahead and add our pause. And you'll notice we get a color change here. Our Z pause is highlighted in this blue color. And we also have a diamond here on our slider bar on the left side. It's a real good visual indicator of where that pause is. And in the software, that's all we need to do. So we're going to go ahead and send this to our printer, and I'll see you at the next step. So here we are at the printer. We can take a look and see that it is paused. Take a look at our print there. We're just about ready to start doing that embossed text, and we're going to switch to a different color. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our material button here. We're going to click on the selected material, and then we're going to unload it. Our material's done unloading, so we're going to spool it back up. Right, we got it spooled back up. We're going to remove it from the material bay. We have our ivory sitting right here ready to go. I'm going to drop it in. Feed it back in. Now we can load this material. Close this. We're done with the material reloading. The machine will automatically do a purge and wipe on the wipers. We're good to go. And we can go ahead and resume our print. And we'll check back in once our print is finished and take a look at the final product. Our print's finished. Let's pull it off the build plate and take a closer look. This is our finished product. The blue base and the white letters have a nice contrast and makes the text very easy to read. This is just one application of a pause and color change. Let me know in the comments down below how you would use this feature. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about TriMac or the capabilities of Stratasys 3D printers, don't hesitate to reach out to us.